Okay, so after understanding of corpus and vocabulary, now let's understand few more terms. The first term that we are going to discuss is stop word. Now, what is a stop words? So, stop words are a sort of very common words which comes in any English language, right? Or in any language. There are many common words which are used to join different words, and they themselves does not hold any meaning, or they themselves does not communicate any information, but they are absolutely necessary to form a complete sentence. So these kind of words are called as stop words, like a, the, is, are, am, and so on and so forth in any in the English language, right? Similarly, these, are, and then of, then maybe in and a, these words will be considered as stop words in English language, right? Now question comes in, why we look at the stop words. So if you want to understand that thing, why we look at stop words, then we have to understand, like let's say if I write again the same word, I love pizza, right? And on this, if I would like to understand that in this entire sentence I am talking about what thing, so by looking at entire sentence you can tell us that we are discussing about pizza. Why? Because there is a word pizza in the description. So whenever we have this word, by looking at this word only, we can tell that we are talking about pizza, right? Uh, Even if it is written like I hate pizza or something of that sort, then also by looking at just pizza word, we can tell that the topic here of discussion is pizza, right? So by this you can understand that in this detection that we are talking about pizza, there is no importance of I here. Even if we remove I from this entire discussion, still we will be able to detect that we are talking about pizza, right? Then there is another word called love. So the word love or hate is important here. Why? Because if I ask a question that okay, you are talking about pizza, then is it something you are talking positive about pizza or negative about pizza? So without considering this pizza, I, these two words, just by looking at love word, you will be able to see that you are talking something positive, and by looking at hate word you will be able to tell me that you are talking about something about negative, right? So in any language we can see that the use of this I is something which does not communicate any information, rather they are used to combine the different words. All right, so that's why whenever we have an NLP project, or we whenever we have a work to be done in NLP, we pick up and remove stop words. But again, it depends upon context. Normally we remove all the stop words which are present in the given document. Okay.